The beautiful view is approaching. Yes, because no more trees to hide them. Oh, University Hospital. You can see over there the the airport there, Macau Airport, and the MTR. You see? Even the small island here in Macau. There is airport, there is MTR, and lots of hotels, and of course, the casino. That's why Macau is a rich country.